go. There's a shot, man. Looks like the rain's cleared up a bit too. Damn, I ain't seen something that good in a long time. Holy. Downtown Baltimore. I could use a little Baltimore of this. Damn it, it seems like everything's broken. It's broken. You want to see how it looks? Okay. The lens. I can shake it up and I can actually move the lens. I seem to have fixed it. But that should have never happened in the first place. I was taking it apart and all the lenses, all the pieces of glass kind of just came out. I was like, what the hell? Anyways, I've got to fix the camera. Got the little gasket piece that fell off when I fell off my skateboard in Allentown. It was held on by some 3M adhesive, but I've got some adhesive that's not gonna come off. Nice and glued up. By the power of Grayskull. I wonder how I look outside the car. If someone were to look in and I'm just doing looks pretty good. I had a little scare where the lens didn't want to open for a little bit, so I was like, oh, did I get some in the wrong spot? Look at that Godmobile. Back on the camera. I hope it's good. I hope this site's good too. I have no clue what that thing is, but it's pretty awesome. Bringing me some vibes of like Tokyo or something. The little weather vane on the top. And these kids just decreeing something. So this is a memorial of the citizen soldiers that stood here in 1814, still bad with numbers. The citizen soldiers stood here, ready to bear their lives for their country and their homeland. Shooting cannons. They even armed one big grasshopper right there. Ready to shoot somebody up. Looks like he's ready to pounce at any moment. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with that guy. Could only imagine what it looks like from up there. That's gonna be a hell of a viewing point. 1892. Oh, that stained glass is really nice. Here's a little bit about a battle against the British in 1814. It's like he's feeding the ducks. A lot of ducks. Love the riverside, the docks.
In a harbor, like going this way.
Tugboats just going across. Little two-seater bike. A little mural on the wall of, I don't know, hands doing all sorts of gang signs, I'm gonna suppose. I don't know. Oh, they're making the love with their hands. Look at it. Truck. That's pretty cool. All you need is love. And then you've got these abandoned buildings right next to it. Guy playing a guitar. He's definitely seen better times.
we have to walk are winding, and all the lies that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. We will be united. We will be. So we say. So we say. I just wanna chill today. Yeah, you know I'm alright by myself. I said I just wanna chill today. Yeah, you know I'm alright by myself.
15 years. Wow. Insane.
He talking about he wanna buy this guitar. I'm like, huh?
He wants to buy a guitar. He just pulls up. Hey.
He told me, he said, how much you want for it? I said, give me $5. He said, I'll be right back. I'm like, man, go.
Hell of an entrance.